Okie dokie. I'll get a drink and then I'll ship you into place. Another lovely day. The birds are singing. Everyone's oh! What was that? Judging by the noise, it would seem to be my goods train. It seems that it's ready. Well then, come along you lot. We have to deliver you to the mainland. Those are nice and oh god! Edward! Edward, wait! Edward! Edward! Oh, how am I gonna catch him now? Huh? What was that?
Wait, what?
We've broken away! We've broken away!
Chase him! Book him! Throw him off the rail!
Oh no, I've lost my train. I better stop.
Wait! No!
Well, that was very anticlimactic. Oh.
I'm so tired of Thomas telling me everything to do.
He's always like, James, take the truck. James, deliver the disgusting thing you call a boat. It's just not I know.
Ow, that really hurt.
It's just great. I couldn't deliver your truck and I run into your mess. I'm very sorry, James, this happened to you. I did not mean for this accident to happen. Edward, no one means for an accident to happen. Sometimes it just does. Well, that's sorted out. Oh, that really hurt. Well, accidents happen now and again.